All right, we now have this little guy wired up. You'll notice the green here going down to the chassis screw. Neutral is going up to the neutral position. Black is going to, sorry, I'm getting a little too close here. Black is the live coming, or sorry, blue back to the live here. I've got, I think, a 3 amp slow blow fuse in here. Of course, power comes out. We have black is a negative, green is ground, red is positive, and then switched here, red, green, black for positive, ground, and negative. Input comes from RCA, so we have red and yellow for the right channel, coming down to the right channel, which is going that direction. So we have ground in the middle and hot on the left. Let me turn it here. And then the same situation this side for yellow, or sorry, for the left channel, which is this one. We've got black and yellow, and black is, of course, again, is the positive side. Yellow is the negative side. So is that correct? Oh, I may have those. No, that's right. Yeah. When I look a little close here, it's red, yellow, and black, yellow. So we have positive in the middle and a ground on the side, I think, based on the top here. Yeah, that's right. So yellow is the left one on both sides. And then coming up to the output, we have out minus and out positive. So minus is black, which is pin 3. Positive is red, which is pin 2. And yellow again is ground, which is pin 1. So black, red, yellow, which is ground, or sorry, negative, positive, ground. Coming up to here, I actually had these when I soldered them. What I did is I took this back panel and I flipped it around, because you'll notice that when we're soldering these other guys, you have to go underneath. So I just flipped the panel upside down, did them, and then flipped it around this way. Worked just fine. So I'm pretty certain I've got those in the right pins. So there you go. It's all done. I have not yet tested it, but I think it'll be fine.